MDM Lock is a security feature that businesses use to remotely secure enterprise devices, ensuring enhanced protection and authorized use. Now, let's explore how you can enable MDM Lock on Android devices using AirDroid Business. There are mainly three methods. Method 1 involves using the remote lock feature. Start by selecting the target device you wish to secure. Next, access the lock device feature. Set a secure PIN code and lock the device. This ensures that unattended or misplaced devices remain protected. The second method is establishing a strong password policy. Begin by accessing the policy settings. Here, you can create or edit existing policies. Navigate to password settings, configure the requirements, and finally, save and implement these policies across all devices. The third method leverages Kiosk Single App Mode, particularly useful for devices with specific use cases. Access the Kiosk launcher. Select a single app to run exclusively, and apply your changes. This mode restricts device usage to one app, ensuring focus and security. With MDM locks, organizations can prevent unauthorized access, boost productivity, and enhance security by automating protection measures. Thanks for your watching. For more information, please visit our official website and have a free trial.